In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check GPU on Windows 11. Whether you're troubleshooting slow performance, confirming your graphics card model, or just curious about real-time usage, Windows 11 gives you a built-in, accurate view with Task Manager. No extra apps required. Start by pressing the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together. This instantly opens Task Manager. Keep your fingers on the keys for a brief moment and you'll see the Task Manager window appear. This tool is the control center for what your PC is doing behind the scenes, and it includes a dedicated area for your graphics card. Next, look along the top of the Task Manager window and click the Performance tab. The Performance area shows a list of hardware components on the left, each with a live graph on the right. You'll see entries for CPU, memory, disk, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet, and importantly, your GPU. Now, select GPU from that left panel. It may be labeled GPU 0 or GPU 1 if you have multiple graphics processors, and it may also display the manufacturer and model. Once selected, you'll get a detailed dashboard of your graphics activity. The graphs show how busy different parts of the GPU are, such as 3D rendering, video encoding and decoding, and copy operations, so you can immediately tell what tasks are using your graphics card. Below the graphs, check the memory section. Here you'll see dedicated GPU memory, which is the high-speed video memory on the card itself, and shared GPU memory, which is borrowed from system RAM. Watching these values helps you understand if you're running out of VRAM when editing video or playing games. You'll also find useful specifications like the adapter name, driver version, DirectX version, the physical location on the system bus, and sometimes the current temperature. These details are invaluable when you need to confirm compatibility for software or drivers. If your system includes more than one GPU, such as integrated graphics and a discrete card, you can click each GPU entry in the left list to compare usage and specs in real time. This makes it easy to see which processor your apps are actually using. That's it. By opening Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC, clicking the Performance tab, and selecting GPU, you can monitor live usage and key specifications anytime. Leave Task Manager open while you launch a game or a creative app to watch how the load changes and diagnose bottlenecks quickly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clearer view of your GPU on Windows 11.